Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, this video is designed to help you take your video production skills to the next level. In this video, we'll dive deep into how you can create viral videos that capture the attention of your audience and keep them coming back for more. We'll explore the strategies and techniques that successful creators use to make their content stand out in a crowded digital landscape. One of the most powerful tools at your disposal is invideo-io. This cutting-edge software leverages artificial intelligence to streamline the video editing process, making it easier than ever to produce high-quality content. We'll show you how to harness the power of invideo-io to create videos that not only look professional, but also engage and entertain your viewers. Stay tuned as we explore various tips and tricks that can help you maximize the potential of invideo-io. From selecting the right templates and effects to optimizing your videos for different platforms, we've got you covered. We'll also share insights on how to analyze your video's performance and make data-driven decisions to improve your content over time. Also, don't forget to leave your questions and thoughts in the comments section below. We love hearing from our community and are always here to help you on your content creation journey. Your feedback is invaluable to us, and we look forward to engaging with you in the comments. So, let's get started and unlock the full potential of invideo-io together. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. We regularly post tutorials, tips, and industry news to help you stay ahead of the curve in the ever-evolving world of video content creation. Creating viral videos is both an art and a science. It requires a deep understanding of your audience, a knack for storytelling, and the ability to leverage the latest tools and technologies. With invideo-io, you have a powerful ally in your corner, helping you to craft videos that resonate with viewers and drive engagement. The first step in creating a viral video is to brainstorm and plan your content. Think about what topics are trending, what your audience is interested in, and how you can present your ideas in a unique and compelling way. Storyboarding your video can help you visualize the flow and structure, ensuring that your message is clear and impactful. Once you have a solid plan, it's time to dive into the editing process. invideo-io offers a wide range of templates and tools that can help you bring your vision to life. Whether you're creating a tutorial, a vlog, or a promotional video, you'll find everything you need to make your content shine. Don't forget the importance of audio in your videos. The right music and sound effects can enhance the mood and emotion of your content, making it more engaging for your viewers. invideo-io makes it easy to add and adjust audio elements, ensuring that your videos sound as good as they look. Text overlays and animations are another great way to add visual interest and convey important information. With invideo-io, you can easily add dynamic text and graphics to your videos, helping to highlight key points and keep your audience engaged. Once your video is complete, it's time to share it with the world. invideo-io makes it simple to export your videos in the right format for different platforms. Whether you're posting on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, or any other social media site. And with built-in analytics, you can track your video's performance and see how it's resonating with your audience. Engaging with your audience is key to building a loyal following. Take the time to read and respond to comments, and use the feedback to improve your future videos. Your viewers will appreciate the interaction, and it can help you build a strong and supportive community around your content. As you continue to create and share content, you'll start to see your engagement metrics grow. More views, likes, comments, and shares are all indicators that your videos are resonating with your audience. Use this data to refine your strategy and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible with invideo-io. Celebrating milestones is an important part of the content creation journey. Whether you've reached a certain number of subscribers, hit a new view count, or received positive feedback from your audience, take the time to acknowledge and celebrate your achievements. It's a great way to stay motivated and keep pushing forward. Continuing to learn and grow is essential for any content creator. attend webinars, take online courses, and stay up to date with the latest trends and technologies in video production. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to create content that stands out and captures the attention of your audience. Networking and collaboration are also key components of success. Connect with other creators, share ideas, and collaborate on projects. Not only can this help you learn new skills and gain new perspectives, but it can also expand your reach and introduce your content to new audiences. Finally, take the time to reflect on your content creation journey. Look back at your old videos and see how far you've come. Celebrate your progress and use it as motivation to keep improving and pushing the boundaries of what's possible with invideo-io. Thank you for joining us on this journey. We hope you found this video helpful and inspiring. Remember, the key to success is to keep learning, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep creating. We can't wait to see what you come up with using invideo-io. Happy creating! Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips, tutorials, and inspiration. And be sure to check out our other videos for more great content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. You need to hear this if you're a content creator. Get a 50% discount on invideo-io subscription plans via the link in the description. Imagine having a tool that not only simplifies your video creation process, but also amplifies your reach and engagement. invideo-io is designed to be your ultimate companion in the journey of content creation. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, this tool can revolutionize the way you create and share videos. I'm sure you've heard the news. YouTube is the place to be if you want to go viral and get paid. With billions of users logging in every day, the platform offers an unparalleled opportunity to reach a global audience. But how do you stand out in such a crowded space? The answer lies in creating high-quality, engaging content that resonates with viewers. And that's where invideo-io comes in. This powerful tool can help you craft videos that not only capture attention, but also keep viewers coming back for more. Here's how invideo-io can help you do just that. First, it offers a wide range of templates that are designed to suit various types of content, from vlogs and tutorials to product reviews and promotional videos. These templates are fully customizable, allowing you to add your unique touch to each video. You can easily drag and drop elements, adjust colors, and insert text to create a video that truly represents your brand. invideo-io is your secret weapon for creating eye-catching viral content. The tool is equipped with advanced features that make video editing a breeze. For instance, its AI-powered editing capabilities can automatically trim and stitch clips together, ensuring a smooth and professional final product. You can also take advantage of its extensive library of stock footage, images, and music to enhance your videos and make them more engaging. No editing skills? No problem. invideo-io is designed to be user-friendly, even for those who have never edited a video before. The intuitive interface guides you through each step of the process, making it easy to create stunning videos in no time. Plus, the tool offers a variety of tutorials and resources to help you get the most out of its features. Just pick a template, type in your text, and watch the magic happen. It's that easy. But wait, there's more. invideo-io also allows you to add special effects, transitions, and animations to your videos, giving them a polished and professional look. You can experiment with different styles and effects to find the perfect combination that suits your content. With invideo-io, you can add music, transitions, and even cool voiceovers. The tool offers a wide range of audio options, from background music to sound effects, that can enhance the overall impact of your videos. You can also record your own voiceovers directly within the platform, making it easy to add a personal touch to your content, all in just a few clicks. The simplicity and efficiency of invideo-io mean that you can spend less time editing and more time creating. This is especially important for content creators who need to produce videos on a regular basis. With invideo-io, you can streamline your workflow and focus on what you do best, creating amazing content. Consistency is key to growing your channel. Regularly posting high-quality content can help you build a loyal audience and increase your chances of going viral. InVideo AI makes it easy to maintain a consistent posting schedule by simplifying the video creation process. You can plan, create, and publish your videos all within the same platform, ensuring that you never miss a deadline. So the faster you produce quality content, the quicker you can hit those monetization milestones. YouTube offers various ways to monetize your content, from ad revenue and channel memberships to super chats and merchandise sales. By consistently producing engaging videos, you can attract more viewers and increase your chances of earning money from your channel. Ready to make your YouTube dreams come true? With InVideo AI, you have all the tools you need to succeed. The platform is designed to help you create professional quality videos that stand out from the crowd. Whether you're looking to grow your audience, increase engagement, or monetize your content, InVideo AI can help you achieve your goals. Start using InVideo AI today and turn your creativity into cash. The platform offers various subscription plans to suit different needs and budgets, and with the 50% discount available via the link in the description, there's never been a better time to get started. Don't miss out on this opportunity to take your content creation to the next level. Don't just watch videos, create them. With InVideo AI, you can transform your ideas into reality and share them with the world. The platform's powerful features and user-friendly interface make it easy to create videos that capture attention and drive engagement. Whether you're creating content for YouTube, social media, or your website, InVideo AI has everything you need to succeed. And let InVideo AI help you go viral. The platform's advanced features and intuitive design make it easy to create videos that stand out and get noticed. With InVideo AI, you can take your content creation to new heights and achieve your goals faster than ever before. So why wait? Start using InVideo AI today and see the difference it can make for your channel.